Maria Elizabeth van Niekerk, CEO and co-founder of Cribix Technologies with Dr. Cody Plants. Today, I'm not wearing my CEO hat. I'm just Maria, taking you through the dashboard, the explanation of how Cribix works. This is not an official video. While the team is creating the official content to assist you, the how-to videos, the formal presentations and everything, I decided to do a walkthrough the Maria way. I hope what I do will assist you in understanding the system. Please come to Natalie's weekly Zoom meetings. I will put the links for all 3 meetings in the description. I'm not going to do a full explanation of everything. Also remember that we have a full support team in the Telegram channel 24/7 who are there to answer all your questions. Please make sure that you've got direct access to them and that you can ask them something personal. The way to go is first, if you have any problem, support, wait 48 hours, support again, 24 hours. You then go to your upline, and your upline can end up with Adam, who's got the exact same access to WhatsApp support that Natalie, I, and some of the other leaders have. Please, we are responsible as a team and as Cribix to our users. But you as a user also have the responsibility to be in the Zooms, to learn, to read, and to know how the system works. A new, exciting era in Cribix Technologies. Those of you who've been with us the past 9 months know the challenges that we've been through, but we're still there, and we want you to know that we will be there for a long time. The very first thing is the disclaimer. We are not a fit for everybody. We are pre-launch and we are a small startup and risk industries. It's trading, it's AI, and it's crypto. This is not a space for everybody. Please make sure before you buy a bot subscription that Cribix is a fit for you. We really have made it so simple, and we want people to live their lives. So please do not sit glued to your computer or your phone screen, watching every second move. The challenges are very obvious, emotions being the biggest one, but also the technical complexity and people not having a clue where to start. And that's why we created a simple system for the everyday person, for the trader, for the investor, for the mother or the grandmother. Our oldest participant that I'm aware of is 83 years old. Now, if she can do it, anybody can. AI is not the future. AI is already here. The fact that most don't know and are not aware doesn't mean it's not a fact. We have 6 engines, of which we have only released the one, the Scalper, with currently a success rate of around about 95%, which was our target for the end of the year. When we started end of September, October, the average was around about 90%. We said up to 85%. This is what everything is about. It's about the 6 AI engines and the system, our bots. We created the exchange for the bots. It is a full-blown exchange. As a trader, you can trade yourself on the exchange. My question though is, why would you do it when AI at a 95% success rate can do it for you? We used to have only had 90 days and $29, and you could choose an annual package. In all 3 of these packages, you are also able to choose the annual and the monthly. The first package is the Starter AI at $29 per month. The daily projected trades, which is on average calculated per month. Please do not come tell us why every day, why the trades are lower, why this, why that, because you are glued to your screens. We are talking averages, and please give the bot and the system time to show you over a month, 2 or 9 months, soon it will be a year, what the bot can do for you. Your average projected monthly gain in the $29 package will be 18 to 23%. Your minimum deposit is $200 and the maximum is 1,499. The moment you go over that 1499.99, the system will push you automatically into the $49 package, where the minimum is 1,500. Should you wish to stay in the $29 package, you have to withdraw and stay below $1,499. Otherwise, it's going to automatically push you over. You can always upgrade. However, you are not going to be able to downgrade until your lock-in period or your stacking period has expired, depending on what you choose, which I will discuss in the next slide. Your $49 package per month, your daily projected trades is 2 to 4 trades per day, and your projected monthly gains will be somewhere between 22 and 27%. The minimum is 1,500 and the maximum is just under 3,000. The same is applicable for 49 that I've just explained for the $29. If you go over the 2,999.99, it's going to automatically push you into the last package, which is the $79. Projected daily trades over a month is 4 to 6 trades per day, and your projected amounts, your gains is 25 to 33%. It is 3,000 minimum and unlimited from there onwards. Your compounding frequency and your lock-in period. In each of these packages, you can choose any of the 3 stacking lock-in periods, which is 90 days, 180, or 365 days. If you have locked in for 90 days, you can always upgrade to one of the other 2, the 180 or the 365. However, if you have locked in your funds for 365 days, you cannot downgrade because your contract is going to expire in 365 days. At the end of the 365 days, you can do whatever you want. You can withdraw everything. Should you, however, decide to stack it or reinvest your whole amount, you will receive a 10% rollover bonus. When it comes to compounding frequency, each package has a different compounding frequency. How does it work? The closest to the current system is the 365 days. When you had a trade, the bot would put your profits back into your wallet balance, your total profits with your investment. The next trade, it would take the higher amount. In the new system, on the 365 days, it's going to put it back, but it's not going to trade the higher amount every time after that trade. So it's not compounding after each trade anymore. It's compounding daily. So at the end of your day, tomorrow, the bot is going to take the bigger amount and trade that, though all your profits are visible in your wallet balance. Now going down to your 90 days and your 180 days. The compounding on the 90 days is every 7 days, and on the 180, it's every 3 days. Let me explain the 90 days. Though the bot is going to trade and make you profits and put it in your trading wallet where you will see the total amount, it is only going to take the bigger amount and trade on the higher amount every 7 days, and on the 180 every 3 days. So something else I want to mention is that compounding is actually a word that's used with interest. For the lack of a right word, we are using compounding, which is technically not correct to you. I'm using it because there's no other word in crypto and in trading to explain it. So remember that compounding, when I use it, it means using the bigger amount to trade on. When it comes to the partnering program, the compensation plan, affiliate plan, I'm just going to show the basics. You can see the rest in Natalie's Zooms 3 times a week. What is new in this system, but it has not been activated technically on the system as yet. Natalie will inform you of when it goes active and live. This is new. You are going to be able to earn up to 30% on all bot subscriptions of the team below you. You also will have the choice of sharing your link and giving affiliates or team leaders, whoever you want to, 10, 20 or 30% discount, or you can choose to keep it all to yourself. This will happen every month while the person have a bot subscription in the system and is only one level deep. This part is what's called the fast start bonus. You have 5 levels deep, and as you can see on level 1, you will get 7%. The person that signs up under the person directly under you will be level 2. From them, you will receive 4%. If somebody signs up under them on the 3rd level, you will receive 2% and so forth down to 5 levels deep. Every time a person deposits and activate a bot subscription, it will activate your commissions. This hasn't changed much. It's still 10 levels deep. You earn commissions as per level on the screen in front of you for everybody that's under you on their own trading profit. That is the 3rd way to earn. The 4th part is the reward system, where if you are a team builder, you are able to earn additional rewards. I'm not going to go through the whole system. You can see it in Natalie's Zoom, but that is the 4th way that you can earn other than the ones I've mentioned. So the first way to earn is just as an investor, earning AI trading profits on your investment. The second way is to earn as a builder, and just by showing people how the system can impact their lives, it happens automatically. You're going to earn a fast start bonus. You're going to earn on their trading profits. You're going to earn on the bot subscription up to 30%, as well as reward. You can also come in without investing, being just an affiliate marketer. For those who do not have the funds, you can show it to others, earn commissions, and then start paying your bot with the commissions that you've earned. At certain times, we will run marketing campaigns and different things for our community. All these will be announced in our social media, as well as by Natalie, our Director of Communications, in all her Zoom meetings. Please attend the Zoom meetings. Please stay updated. The whole team is there for you. We are responsible and we are there for you, but you are responsible to stay updated and to stay informed. This is then a quick run through of how the system works. I'm going to log into the account and show you quickly to assist you until the official and professional content comes out that will assist you and be posted everywhere. Just remember what I said. This video is my personal video, just trying to assist you until that content is available. Logging into the account, it's going to take you to this section at the very beginning. Over here, you will see the total amount paid for subscriptions. Please, it's not the monthly amount. It's the total accumulated amount paid for subscriptions up to now. You will see the days remaining, your start date, and your next billing date. Please ensure that your auto renew button is on. We created this pause button. Please leave it on at all times. We had a request from people who wanted to pause their bot for religious purposes, and that's why we put it in there. Over here, you can change your stacking period. In my case, if I click on it, I'm already on 365 days, so I cannot downgrade, like I said. But if you were on the 90 or the 80, you will be able to upgrade to the higher stacking period. Over here, you see the 10% bonus. That's the bonus I talked about earlier in the video. If at the end of your period, when your investment period runs out, your stacking period, when you decide to take that amount and stack it for the next period, you will receive a 10% rollover bonus. Over here, you will see your bot statistics. On this specific account, which started on the 8th of October, but has been paused for demonstration purposes at that time, the success rate of the bot is 94.5%. There were 526 total trades, successful and failed, and there's your ratios and the volume that has been executed in this account. When you log in as a first user, it's going to take you to that minimum for the 3 different subscriptions. If I was on one of these, I could always upgrade to a higher one. Because this account is on 365, you cannot downgrade it until you ran out of your 365 days. In order for you to downgrade, should you wish to, you will have to withdraw money to fit into the package that you would like to be in. I'm going to show you the notifications. All your withdrawals, deposits, etc. will show in notifications. It will have a highlighted button next to them, and you can just mark it as read when you've done that. In your referral section, you're going to see, in order to qualify for certain reward, you need to have your own team volume, your personal deposit, as well as your direct L1 volume to qualify for the specific leader. I cannot click on the transactions and the downlines. I want you to know that when you click on them, you can see each and every downline. If you go click on a specific downline on the right-hand side, you're going to be able to see their whole structure, and that way you can go down and down infinitely and see your whole structure. Over here, you can see this account is at tier 5 and how many downlines there are. You can also see your whole structure over here at the bottom. That is currently the commissions available. That is the total commissions, and that's a team volume. Should I sign somebody up now, under the very last person, under number 3742, I can literally go down the structure that shows under my downlines, and I can go find that person. How does this help? This helps you to go see who and what is registered in your structure. If you go to a direct or somebody right at the bottom that has not deposited, hasn't signed anybody up under them, their email will show there, and you can assist them as their upline. In this case, this account is directly under Cribic. That's this email. But if it was an upline, you could see both and you can assist your whole team. In the transactions, it's going to show the email. It's going to show the deposit amount and how much you've earned, depending on what level that person is at. If you go to orders, you're going to see, I would like to show you, remember the minimum withdrawal and deposit is $20. The bot subscription is the subscriptions I gave you, but you get 30 days free right at the beginning. Should you want to withdraw directly, you can withdraw to an external wallet over here. I cannot withdraw because I currently have below $20. Should I say withdraw, it's however going to take you to the normal system. You're going to choose one of those networks depending on what you want to choose. Let's say I always use TRX, but there are people who said that BSC is cheaper. That is a personal choice. I'm going to put my wallet in here from my external exchange or wallet that I'm using. I'm going to choose the amount that I want to withdraw. It's going to ask me for my 2FA, and I'm going to click withdraw. Remember that you cannot withdraw unless your 2FA is activated. Please keep your 2FA activated at all times for the account security. And if you have a laptop or a computer, please do not log in on your phones. That is the weakest point and the most vulnerable point. And please do not log into your accounts when you are at the coffee shop and at open Wi-Fi. Security is very important. We're doing everything we are doing everything possible to keep you safe and secure. You have a responsibility too, to know that you shouldn't log in on open internets and Wi-Fi's. That's how your accounts can be accessed and hacked, especially through mobile. I'm going to show you how to transfer this amount, and you don't have to wait until it's $20. That is for external withdrawal, the minimum. Should you wish to add this amount to your investment, all you're going to do is you're going to click transfer. You're going to say okay, and the system is going to take it and add it to your wallet balance, and the bot can start trading it on top of your balance. Just remember that that $16 is now locked and stacked in for 365 days from this moment, and that you cannot withdraw it. Should you wish to withdraw your commissions, wait until you have at least $20 and withdraw to your external wallet. Going to orders. Should you be lucky enough, and we have been able to see it in live presentations, you will be able to see the buy or sell in here. But remember, it's a scalper, so it is very quickly. In your order history, you will be able to see the pairs as the bot has bought and sold. Over there, you can see the pairs as it has bought and sold. In your realized profit and losses, you will be able to see each and every trade and the profit or loss that you had on it. Over here, you can see the total trades. You can see the total realized profits and loss, as well as your net profits and loss after fees. I'm just going to scroll down so that you can see in this old account, you will see the success rate of the bot is extremely high. No human can do this. You will also see that when we do have losses, that the losses are much smaller than the gains and the winners. I'm just going to scroll quickly through. You can start your buttons and your video on that side and look at it, because this now goes back all the way to the 8th of October 2025. I'm just going to scroll through it very quickly. You can do the stop thing on your side and have a look at all the figures since then. I'm just going to quickly scroll so that you have the whole history. And then very soon, probably by the end of this week, we're going to add a button for you. It will probably come next to your transaction ID on the left. We are going to put a button there for you that you will be able to click, and it will take you to the blockchain and to the Cribix transactions so that you can view it on the blockchain. There you go. As soon as that is available, Natalie will announce it in her Zooms, and we will send out communication and announcements on our channels. Going to the wallet section, what is new? The transfer button over here is new. I'm going to show and explain it to you. The bonus wallet and the funding wallet is new. From the old system, you only know the AI trading wallet. Please ignore the bonus wallet. This is for company use only. When we have specific campaigns, we're going to use that for specific links. So totally forget about the bonus wallet. You're never going to use it. When you deposit funds, which I'm not going to do now, your funds are going to come directly into your funding wallet. If you look at the funding wallet here at the bottom, you will see it says it is empty. There's zero in it. If you deposit as a new user, bringing it into the funding wallet, if you want to activate your bot and to start the bot trading for you, you're going to have to transfer from your funding wallet to your AI trading wallet. If you are a current user, you're going to do the same. If you have a bot subscription, it's going to automatically go into your subscription, your days, what you have. If you are a new user, after you've transferred this money from the funding wallet to your AI trading wallet, you literally still have to purchase your bot. Then for the uplines and people that earns commission, if somebody already has an account, your commission is going to be triggered the moment the money goes from funding wallet to trading wallet. If it's a new subscription, your money is going to go from funding wallet to trading wallet, and only when they activate their bot will you see your commissions in your downline section, in your referral section. Please do not say, I don't see my commission, somebody has funded, because that person has just funded their account. It's lying in funding wallet, and you can still withdraw it from your funding wallet. While it's in your funding wallet, you can withdraw and deposit and do whatever you want with it. Only when it goes over to the AI trading wallet does it become locked in, etc., depending on what you are choosing. I'm going to show this by checking the funds in my wallet. I'm going to transfer mine from the AI wallet to the funding wallet, which is what you're supposed to do if you want to withdraw your funds. You cannot withdraw funds directly from the trading wallet. If I go here now and I say withdraw, it's going to show me there's nothing to withdraw because I cannot withdraw directly from my AI trading wallet. Over here, you can see my total balance and you can see there's no withdrawal balance because this is my trading wallet. I cannot withdraw directly from my trading wallet. In my funding wallet, I've got no funds. So currently, if I say withdraw, it's going to show me I've got nothing to withdraw because I have not transferred my trading profits, which is always available from my AI trading wallet to my funding wallet. Here you will see my balance again, but I've got no balance to withdraw because I have not moved it from my trading wallet to my funding wallet. In the next section, I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to do a live withdrawal to show you how to withdraw. I'm going to leave a portion of the funds in my funding wallet and show you how to get it back. If you deposit or you don't want to withdraw everything, and you want to lock it into the next stacking period, you're going to have to withdraw from your trading wallet and put it back into the AI wallet. Only then does it become part of your total amount being stacked. Until you do that, you can withdraw your commissions and your trading profits at any time. Okay, let's do what I've explained just now. You're going to go, if you're a current user, you're going to go to your AI trading wallet. It's going to show you at the bottom what is available. There you can see it. Now we have to transfer what you want to withdraw from the trading wallet to the funding wallet. You're going to click transfer, the new button. Here you can choose. There's nothing in my funding wallet, so you see over here there's nothing. In my trading wallet, you see I've got $93. I can either put in an amount here. Let's say I'm going to say 20 and I confirm. So it's going to take that $20 and it is now going to be in my funding wallet. There you can see it in my funding wallet. But in my trading wallet, I still have my 73 left. So I'm going to transfer the whole amount from my trading wallet to my funding wallet. You just say MAC and you confirm. Now in my AI trading wallet, you will see that is empty. I have not have any available balance. Over here is my stack balance. You can go through all the buttons, the convert history. Natalie show all of that. I'm not going to go in all those details. I will quickly go through it. This is the portion that I saw that everybody is struggling with. So I've got nothing in my AI trading wallet. If I now go to transfer, in my trading wallet, it shows me 0. However, if I go to my funding wallet, you will see that all the funds are there. I'm going to now show you how I withdraw a portion of this to an external wallet. And then I'm going to take what is left and put it back into my AI wallet to become part of my stacking. I'm now going to withdraw from my funding wallet where I have $93 available. I'm going to say withdraw the normal way. Over here, you're going to see my total balance and you're going to see the withdrawable balance in there. I'm going to choose USDT, which is what I use. I'm going to use the network of the wallet that I already copied. I put that my wallet address in there and I'm not going to withdraw the whole amount. I am going to withdraw 43. I am going to withdraw 43 and leave $50 in my funding wallet. From my phone, I'm going to insert the 2FA code and I'm going to say withdraw. It's going to show withdrawal successful, submitted. If I now go back to my wallet, if I go to withdrawal history, you're going to see that $43 will be pending. There it is, pending in my withdrawal history. It's going to be released within 3, max 6 hours. As soon as the automated system switches on, it will be between 10 and 30 minutes. Over weekends, it takes a little bit longer. Over here, you can see the whole withdrawal history on this account since 8 October last year. Just running through it, you can stop and check it. Here you will see was the very first withdrawals. I was recording and I wasn't focusing, so I had to ask the team to reject these two for me. That was the very first withdrawal completed on this account. If I go back to your wallet, you can also see your deposit history over here. There's the deposit that I transferred earlier in the video from the commissions. I'm now going to show you how to transfer whatever money is in your funded wallet. If I now transfer, I'm going to show you now that in my AI trading wallet, as I've shown you, there's nothing to withdraw. Going to my funded wallet, I have withdrawn the $43, so I've got $50 left in there. You can use this to reinvest your trading profits should you wish to. If you leave it just as a trading profit, the bot still trades it, but you can withdraw it. The moment I transfer from funded account this $50 back to AI trading wallet, it becomes part of a stacking period. That $50 is going to be stacked for 365 days from the moment I transfer it. It's the same way as if somebody had new funds and they deposited for the first time from the outside wallet. Their funds will show here in the funded wallet. In order to move from funding wallet to AI trading wallet, you're going to use the exact same process, it's just reversed. You're going to say transfer. You will see in my funding wallet, I have $50. In my trading wallet, I've got $0 because I just transferred it to my funding wallet before withdrawing. So I'm going to go and I'm going to say from my funding wallet to my trading wallet, I want to take the max. You could take $20, $10. I'm not going to do that now because then the balance is going to be left in my funding wallet to either deposit to my AI trading wallet or to withdraw to an external wallet. I want to reinvest that whole amount, so I'm choosing the $50. I confirm. Now you're going to see that in my funding wallet, it's going to show transferred, completed successfully. You're going to go to your trading wallet and you're going to see that amount has increased and I've got nothing available in my trading profits. If I go to my funding wallet, you will see that my funding wallet is now empty because that $50 has gone into my trading wallet and my investment. Over here, you can see the whole process. If you go to convert history, you will see everything that happened over there. There's the 73 I just showed you. There's the amount that I sent back into my trading wallet. So everything is there. Don't be scared to check. You will not break the buttons. Please go and have a look. Yesterday I showed somebody with this and now there is the $50 that I've just showed you completed, and there it shows the stacked time and the period. Under unlocked, there's nothing because my 365 days has not run out yet. Over here you can choose how you would like to check it. You can say the shortest, but mine are all 365. In the withdrawal history, you're going to see that pending. In your deposit history, you're going to see the referral transfer, the withdrawal history, convert history, everything is there. If you are a trader, you can literally click on market and you can go trade. If you accidentally click on market and you don't know how to get back, the old system is still active where you can click on there and all your buttons are still available in that section. I hope this clarifies a lot of things. Please, I'm going to put Natalie's links for the weekly Zooms in the description. Please get into the Zooms, get into the Telegram. In the Telegram, please speak to my support team. They're all there for you 24/7, and personal information can be sent directly to them via direct messages. I hope this clarifies a lot to know that. I hope that this share will assist you until our team has released the official and professional content. Please remember that this is my personal channel and I haven't even been active on it. I'm just creating this to assist our members and to give our team time to create the content that is professional and official. May Cribex impact your life tenfold, hundredfold the way it has impacted me. And that's my wish for everybody that picks up the seed. Remember, not everybody picks up the seed. I want you also to know that it is a privilege to have Cribex in your life. It's not a right, and we are not all entitled to be there. It's not just another platform. I've said it many times. It's not just another exchange and another platform and bots. What you have in front of you cannot be grasped by most people currently in and outside of the system. I hope to see you on the inside, and that your life and everybody that comes in contact with you now and in the future will be impacted, that we can impact millions of lives. What we are doing is not easy, and what you are seeing is only the tip of an iceberg. A lot is happening, a lot of positive is coming, and I hope you enjoy your journey. Love, Maria.